All right. What's up, YouTube? This is my first installation of Vic's Venerated Vlogs Confessions. So I'll make this my confession table. I was driving my X-Max a few days ago and ran head-on into a drain port, sheared my gears. I went to the Traxxas store and got a new gear, went ahead and put it in. But while I was there, I was asking questions, and this guy walked up and he purchased a new VXL Ultimate Slash 4x4, 4X, whatever it's called. I was asking questions about it. They had sold 3 in the last 30 minutes. I think the gold one was the one that he was looking at, and they had 2 more colors. I asked about it, but that's not why I went in there. I went in there to get a gear. While I was there, I was also looking at a 2.0 VXL road car, because that's one thing I don't have. So I asked a few questions about that, and I had to make a decision on which one to get. So here we go. So I couldn't decide which one to get, so I ended up going with the RaptorR 4x4 Ultimate Edition 4S, as well as the 4Tech. That's just a shot of my 2 crawlers over there I was driving yesterday. So let's get started on what this looks like. Got batteries I need to get charged. Okay, so I'm back at the table. Got the RaptorR Ultimate Edition. Have the 4Tech 2.0 chassis, which is the fast one, the VXL. And I decided to go with the body, which was the Drift Mustang, which is the newest body, which is clipless. That's what I prefer. So when I found they had a conversion kit to use the clipless body on the chassis, I was all in. But when I went to the register to check out and I saw the other guy buying one of these, it just came out, so I had to get it. Do I open the 4Tech or do I open the RaptorR Ultimate? I guess I need to flip a coin. Heads, RaptorR. Tails, 4Tech. But before I flip the coin, I need to go through my goodie bag to show everybody what I got. Let me move this to the side. This is the 3-cell for the 4Tech, 4-cell for the Raptor. Now, I have several 2-cells. I didn't have any 3-cells, and my 4-cells I had were for my XRT and for my X-Max, so I needed one for this one. I was gonna go with 2 for each one, but I just want to balance it out because the 2-cell might work as well if I want to just run slow. Also, my parts. This is the back connector for the 4Tech to make it clipless. This is the front pieces, and I'll do a video on that too to convert that. The diffuser, which extends the body to make it fit that body. Light kit for the Ultimate Edition for the front headlights, because it has headlights in the bumper and it has tail lights, but it has fender lights, floodlights. So these lights are for the headlights. Another gear for my X-Max. And then this was another light kit for my backup lights for my X-Max. The cables came out, the wires, so I needed to replace that. So these are all the parts that I'll be doing installs on. Let's do a quick unboxing on this one, and let's go from there. All right, we'll say that this is heads and this is tails. Let's go.
Heads it is.
All right, so we see which one won. RaptorR, of course. Even if it would have been tails, RaptorR. Heads, RaptorR. Doesn't matter. That's the one we're going with. Okay, so full disclosure, I really don't do unboxings. So this is a first for me too. So let's get into it. RaptorR Ultimate. Now, since everybody was going with this newest color, I decided to go with the old school original body, which was the black. We have the remote. clipless body. Love it. So satisfying. There's another little piece at the top. I'll leave that on for right now, but take a look at this body. It looks really good. I'm glad I went with the black. Of course, with these new ones, the decals are actual lights. It's not a decal like the other Slash bodies. So I do have the light kit. I showed you that earlier. Now we'll get into a little bit of the internals and what it has in this platform. So let me do a quick overview of this before I get into some close-up shots. So with this new VXL setup, you have a larger motor, all anodized orange. So the three different colors, actually it's two. It's three different body colors. You have the front orange, you have the gold, and of course I got the black one. With the new gold body, which is a new one that I don't think Traxxas has used before, you have the black anodized setup. In the black body and the orange body, you have the orange setup with the orange anodized parts with the hub carriers, the motor block, the motor plate, the drive shaft, all of that is orange. There's a few other orange pieces in here, the hub carriers, I think I said that, caster blocks. So all those things are beefed up and upgraded. It looks real good, real clean. Suspension, it looks like some good oil in here for some good bashing. Okay, with the body on it, that's it. It's on. That looks amazing. Check that out. You have the GTR shocks in here. And again, this body will accept the real lights. I'll put that in the video as well, maybe a different video to show how that all looks. And it's raining outside today. So unfortunately, I don't want to run this brand new vehicle in the rain. So what I'm gonna do is probably go ahead and install the lights. And this is a quick overview. Oh, it's got the trailer hitch. What else is on here? These mirrors look like they're beefy. Molded Ford Raptor. All these look very detailed. This is like the Pro Scale line that has very detailed licensed pieces and parts. I'm very pleased with this. I didn't see this one out of the box, and this looks really good. A little while back, I was looking for the red Raptor, which I think was 3S. So when I went to look for it today, they said they discontinued that, but this was the latest and greatest. So I'm very pleased again with this purchase. Haven't ran it yet. Never had a Slash before. One of my buddies had a Slash a while back, but it was the old body style. I love the truck Raptor body, and this looks really good. Forgot to mention, little instruction book. You have your little hand tools that come with it. Also, it looks like a little piece where you can install and lower for a smaller battery if you're not using a 4S battery. I think that's what that is. And some of your other standard tools that are in there. This, again, is the Ford Raptor Ultimate R 4S. Can't wait to get it out on the streets. If you've made it this far, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you want to see next or for the next video. See you soon.